Okay. Now, I believe I'm live. Should be live. Good. Good. Okay. Um, I'm gonna. What am I gonna do? I'm going to. Sorry. I'm going to get back updated, catch up with everything that's going on in the cohort, and from there I'll see how much uh, how much I can do. I, I, but yeah, let me go ahead and pull everything up and update my uh, GitHub branch and stuff. Where is my VS Code? Bow. Okay. Let me pull it up so that y'all can see it. Bow. Okay. Okay. Why am I blanking? Wait. Because realistically, Scrum 23 doesn't even exist anymore, I don't think. Like, that doesn't exist anymore. Mm-mm-mm. We're in here. Oh. What? Oh. Okay. Actually, this shouldn't be here. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Wombat admin. Should it even be Wombat admin? Because, truly speaking, get checkout main. What? Is this right? Okay. How much is in here though? Hold up. This doesn't exist in there. Also, mm, 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 I'm really trying to figure out first. Let me. There's two now, right? Okay. Now, how much is really different? Okay. Let me check what's in here. Actually, Jira, right? No. Okay. Okay. this up and see all that's going on here. Is it? Wait. Next dev? Is that what it is? Cool, cool. Oh, whoops. Wait. I'm so confused. Okay. There's so many things that's like going on with Next and all this stuff. Okay. See. Hold on. I guess this. Yeah. Truly, I'm just getting everything like updated and like current before I go for it. It's not gonna be a long stream, but yeah. What else now? What all is being done now? I know somebody's like reading that or looking at this and is like, wait, he's not even reading, but like, I don't know how I can. What? Okay. But my no modules in what? This or this? I suppose it is. I can't do that, can I? Wait, hold on. I can't do that. I can do that? I'm scared to like uninstall anything, but hopefully it just does it for me. Like updates the right things. Dang it. Should be installed. Rocket League, right? Yep. See, I may have a bad memory, but yeah, I remember certain things. Yes. Yes. How are you doing? How are you doing? I know it's pretty late, but yeah. Sorry, my cat's going crazy. Yeah. I'm in a whole new place now. Like, I'm in a completely different city. A lot's changed, but my memory's still intact. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What has you up so late? Oh, you're in a new city too? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Still cybersecurity? Dang, good job. Especially in this like job market. Then again, I think you already have like the experience and the tenure, I guess, in the industry, so it isn't really hard for you to find a job. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah. Huh. That's good. That's good. What is it like to own your own consulting firm, though? I always wanted to like, cause okay, what I'm going through right now, I have a lot of like freelancing work that's like is getting backed up, so I'm considering like outsourcing it. And I think that's like the start of how people start their like owning their own businesses and stuff. But I don't know. Do you like dealing with clients? I like dealing with clients. It's just I may need to do more with like gaining clients. That's my thing. Yeah. Some I actually most recently I've had my first like I don't know if I can do this for too long kind of run-ins with like clients. Even though it didn't go like badly, it's just like it made me set up paperwork to have everything in writing. But yeah. 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 Because the customer is only the customer, and like not that they're doing anything wrong, it's just that they don't really understand, not that it's a bad thing, they just don't understand like the development part of it. So it's hard to kind of communicate that when you're starting out until they get a class action launch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. this is why this is why having contracts in place and having LLCs in place and all that stuff is so important. This is why. Like all this coding stuff is fun until like legal stuff starts happening, and people like either don't like products or like run into like lawsuits and stuff. It's like, oh, that's why they have lawyers and all this paperwork and stuff before they start writing code. Yeah, but when they don't understand is unplugging so that it doesn't happen, so that they don't ever get hacked. Yeah, yeah. And that's another thing of like getting like really involved in the cybersecurity space is like you really have to have all that stuff like locked down, not touch with like yeah, yeah. But I would like to get involved in the cybersecurity stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just I don't know. The front end is kind of I like back end stuff too, but then back end bleeds into like having data locked down securely and everything. So I still have to work on that. But if you get hacked, it costs a lot more money than it would have cost if you hired me beforehand, and a lot more time and trouble. Yeah, it's one of those things. Is like kind of like a measure, not a measure twice cut once kind of thing, but like if you buy cheap, you buy twice kind of thing. Or if you try to like be cheap about certain things, you'll pay for it in the end. So it's best to just do things the right way. And that's what most people don't understand whenever they're starting out a business or trying to do their own thing. Is like for most things, if you're doing it on the cheap, it's cheap for a reason. So yeah, yeah. first started, I used to walk in the business and have them sign. Yeah. Yeah. But I mean, now, well, I'm closer to the city. Like I'm in the city now, but I feel weird like walking into places now. Hey, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. uh, I don't know how. Did they ever find out that it was you? What the heck? How bad did it get? Oh. Certain people just don't read the fine print. Tailwind config. True. Yeah. Yeah. The more and more I start freelancing, the more and more I get into like the whole contract stuff. Which I do need to like bolster up my contract, but yeah. Yeah. I don't understand what's going on. Do I really need to uninstall all this stuff? I don't want to. I don't want to mess anything up, but screw it. And that. Oh, snap. Hopefully that fixes everything. Oh God. I shouldn't have done that. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, but I'm pretty simple right now. It's just a matter of like, okay, this is what I do, and like if anything goes out of bounds, then that incurs a fee. But like if everything's good, then you have nothing to worry about. It's just like, to me, I just don't want a headache. That's really what my contracts are based around now. At least like currently, it's just a one-page thing. True. 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 Yeah. But then again, like all my clients, I know them like from a reasonably like personal level, so that I'm not a complete stranger. Yeah. 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 But yeah, everything can be improved in the future, so what? This is where hopefully it goes faster and faster, but right now I'm not taking on any more clients because I'm booked. I'm booked. Hopefully, but then again, I don't really know how I can reach more clients other than like streaming and like word of mouth type of stuff and just doing good work. But I don't know. Oh, really? What would it hinder you from having more contracts? Please work. Oh. And what? does this say though? Oh my god. No. No. Because. Oh. Okay. See, all that, like, uh, insurance stuff and paperwork stuff, all that stuff is really confusing to me. I really hope that this works. True. So that you can like have more hands-on and yeah, have more control over it and everything. Hopefully. Okay. No. um. Me. Like, I grew up. I was born in like '97, so I just grew up with like technology. So I don't know. I come from like a yeah. Granted, I wasn't like coding when I was a kid, but I was just always been into like technology. It's just that growing up, I didn't know coding was really a thing. But it was in high school when I learned that like coding was a thing, and then I did it in high school. I liked it, but then I tried to take it in college, and that's when I didn't like it, and then I dropped off. But I've always been interested in coding. It's just like in college, they had me learning Java, and I didn't like that. And that was back in like 2015, and yeah, that didn't mesh with me. But this whole like websites and front end stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, it was 2015. It was a different time. I can't really blame them. Yeah, but I would like to learn. It's not going well. I don't know. From college or from high school? Oh, okay. Okay. Dang. I had just went my first year of college was in 2015, but I'd stayed 2 semesters and yeah, I was out. I didn't really like college. Mainly because like the whole programming stuff threw me off, and then at that point I didn't know what to do. So I just didn't want to waste any more money. So yeah. Well, funny you say that. Cause I'm not going back for like a computer science thing. I'm I, I would like to go back for more of like a traditional like, cause I work in uh thermoforming, the thermoforming industry, like plastics manufacturing, and I'm kind of interested in figuring out what kind of engineering degree that I would like to pursue in that, because like recently maybe it's because how my experience is going with all of, can you see my mouse? What the heck? Oh, how it's going with like all of this stuff. I've kind of like fallen a little bit out of love with code a little bit, just because like my experience with working in this kind of environment has kind of soured me on that. So I'm not going to school anymore for any coding or computer science or anything. If I would be going back to school, it would be to progress in, well, I was thinking either chemical or industrial engineering. I have to get a definition on all of those, like the specifics, but it would be uh, mechanical, industrial, or chemical engineering. Like I would much rather just have like the coding thing as like a maybe thing. But as far as like being practical or being like an adult, I have to kind of realize that like, especially after, like not after, but like going through this experience, maybe like the coding thing isn't for me, because like I haven't really had a bad experience with like working, like, yeah, I don't want to get too negative, but prior to this, I haven't had a really bad experience with like working like in a team as far as like coding goes. But this has kind of like soured me on trying to pursue a career in this. Like, yeah, that in their interactions, performance, in workplace environments. I wouldn't hate that. That kind of that kind of sounds applicable to what I would be doing. I don't know. That kind of sounds applicable, or where I would like to take my career. Well, I'm already in. I'll tell you later. It has something to do with this, but I'll tell you later. I don't want to get too negative, but it's part of the reason why I haven't been streaming a lot. Is just because like, yeah, nah. See, I always thought about going into like computer engineering and stuff like that, but in my line of work, I'm not sure how I would integrate that into like moving up, because like there's only so many things that can be like done in thermoforming engineering with computer engineering. But more or less, I would be trying to transition my computer engineering into like a tech job. But like I said before, like I'm not really focused on a tech job right now. Like it would be nice, but if there isn't a place for someone like me in the tech industry, I just kind of have to accept that. Like I might as well just like not bang my head against a wall and trying to like force something that isn't supposed to like happen. I just kind of have to like be realistic and be like, all right, no, there isn't. Nah, there isn't. Nah. Probably. But also, my attitude is like, see, that's a double-edged sword. Because my attitude has gotten me to a point that I have options in life and like opportunity, like real opportunities. So like, I don't know. I don't know if like my attitude is really like a problem. If anything, my attitude has like got me to a place of like freedom. So like, if I can recognize that something is like some bullshit, I'm just gonna move away and go where the money is. Like, if there isn't a place for me in the tech industry, oh well. Oh well. Especially like going through this. truly, I wasn't supposed to graduate high school either, but that's neither here nor there. Mainly because I just didn't want to write my senior English paper, whatever that was called, but my final paper, simply because I just didn't want to write that, which I had somebody else write that for me. But if I hadn't have done that, yeah. But then again, I look back on that time and it's like, I wasn't the most focused. If I was a little bit more focused, a lot of things would be different. A lot of things. But you don't know what you don't know. That's good. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oops. I shouldn't have done that. That's good. I'll be honest, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this. Because I think I've already met... Hold up. Oh, snap. Wait, let me do this one last thing so I can get back to where I was. But... What? Wait a minute. This no package didn't come back. Oh crap, I have messed up. Okay. There's supposed to be a no package in here, but it didn't come back. Or is there supposed to be a no package that's supposed to be in here? Yes. This. I did the checkout main thing, but hold up. Wait a second. In here, Wombat admin. Yes. Now. Oh, I think. Okay. Now. Look, it's public, I believe. At the repo? Wait, you want me to link it? There you go. There you go. I think I'm starting to make more sense of what's going on. I may just have to... No. Okay. Because all this stuff is like... No. Wait. No. What I would like to do is go into CD. Oh my goodness. What I would like to do is be right here and then go to this file. That's all I want to do. But for some reason, I can't. Like whenever I try to go into that file, wait. This folder right here. Because, okay, yes, I'm right here. This is what I am in right now. Now, I want to go a level deeper and go right here. But that's just not happening. I'm not sure what you mean by read write. This is a poorly I don't know what this means by it doesn't exist, because it obviously does exist. Like cd user what? Oh snap! I'm messing up. Does that really matter that much? Okay. And then okay, I got there. Whoa. Oh. That looks scary. That looks like a lot. I did it. I did it the hard way, but it shouldn't have been this hard. I don't think. Now it's just a matter of what? With a click? Okay. Wait, let me reposition. Now that I'm in here, sorry. Okay. Let's try to do this now. npm install. I still need to install everything that I need to in here. I may be slow. Okay, okay. Okay. This is why I'm not as productive as I could be, because I'm scared of shortcuts. Shortcuts scare me. Like, I understand that like the pro coders, they use shortcuts and Vim and NeoVim and all that stuff. That stuff scares me. I like using my mouse. It's simple. I believe I have everything that I need now. Please. Why does this not work? Okay. Maybe that's what that is. Please. Okay. Cool. Oh snap, it doesn't work. If you add... Yeah, because it's like, it's exponential. Like, it may be a little bit rocky in the beginning, but like the more and more that you use it, the more you use like shortcuts, your productivity... Yeah, and then those hours turn into days, and days turn into week. Yeah. So, okay, so that works. Now, I believe all this stuff is cool. I believe the next thing that I could be doing... Maybe I should put this in the Jira thing. Hold up. Wait, hold up. An admin dashboard. Hold up. I'm trying to look at everything that's in here so it's not conflicting. Oh. This is what I may want to do right now. But hold up. Let me look at this. Is it responsive? Oh, that still isn't. Why? Why does it... What is this? First off, this too. Oh, I love CSS. I really do. I just really love CSS. Let me find out where this stuff is. Give me a second. This is in what? Add user? App index. App index. What is going on? Where is the app index? And oh, these are the errors that are in the but that's what I don't get is where See, I had a trackball, but I don't know. It felt weird. I have the Logitech MX Master 3, I believe, and it's done me well. Yeah. One day I'll get to the Neo Vim in the Vim lifestyle, but until then, I'll just be slow. Now, is there something in here? Because, okay, this is saying app index. Is there a specific... Let's start from the top. Page. Okay, cool. Oh, for productivity purposes. What's up, Sizzle? But for productivity purposes. I know it's late for you. It's very late for you, but thanks for joining. We're talking about productivity and shortcuts and being, more efficient. Now, I can see it right here, and it says line 19. So in here, that's what he recommends. But like I said, I've had the trackball, and it felt weird. Like for me, it kind of felt like unintuitive, but I can see why people use trackballs because I think they're easier on your hand. I think that's the reason. Oh. Then again, I was in high school when I had the trackball. That it was a Logitech. It was a trackball, and I used to play games on that stuff, and it wasn't the best. So, okay. But would I go back to it today? Maybe. Is that what it is? Oh, wait. Trackballs are like for like the really, really efficient. Is that what it is? I never knew. I'm not in tune like that. Nav bar div path. What? How many instances? Yeah. It's just throwing errors because like it's doing some weird thing. Hey, thanks for the follow, Mav Duck. Thanks for the follow. I kind of think for me at this point in my life, I think it would get in the way. I think a trackball will get in the way. Thanks for like truly thanks for following. Like I'm not anybody. I'm boring. I do get in the way. I get in my own way. But like I think it would like get in the way of like me like focusing. Cause I think actually it may not. I don't know. I don't know. It would definitely hurt with like playing video games and stuff, but I don't play video games anymore. But I think it would be easy on my hand and stuff like that. No, my computer, my Windows computer, is back home, back at my house. But I'm currently in an apartment right now, and I don't know. Life is so busy that I didn't end up moving my computer because I know that I won't have time to play video games, and if I do play video games, I will be doing the wrong thing. So like. Yeah. But which div is it saying it? 35? Hey, chat. Line cap. So just this. What the heck? Oh, snap. What's the shortcut so that I can change every instance of this? Oh, dang it. See, this is where shortcuts come in handy. Or like knowledge of shortcuts come in handy. Oh, wait. This is a Tailwind thing, isn't it? This is a Tailwind thing. Huh? Let me get out of here. Hey, man. Listen. I'm just hearing everybody out. Come on, man. Oh, hell. Hold up. Mapped up. This is not a regular occurrence. Don't let this be a representation of how the stream goes. Oh man. Listen, I just like y'all can have y'all's own discourse. While y'all are having that, I'm gonna be trying to figure out this console. Cause this isn't clearing up. You have to clear all of them? Wait, okay, so like he said, it is command F2? No, wait. There. I messed up. Ah. Okay. Did that go away now? And it's not even live updating anything. Okay, it went away. Awesome. And nothing collapsed or broke down. Hold up. I'll get back to that for now. It didn't go away? What the heck? Oh, it's in a different component. Okay, cool. That's in a different component. Now, page 19. That's not 19. Line strike. Scroll to the top. Stroke width. See, this shortcut stuff is cool. I like this little shortcut stuff. Thank you. Okay. Dashboard is what I need to go to now. Okay. I don't know why it's a pet peeve for me now, but oh, thanks for following Evan MMO. Thank you. Was really like I was clearing this up. Let me take a pause. Hold up. If you have as much, if you don't want to be fast, that's fine. See, I think I'm in that. I want to say range, but like I think I'm in that group of people that like I don't really have that big of a task list, or like my schedule is starting to get flooded, so I may start like using shortcuts and being more efficient and using like pro stuff like that. But prior to this, I've been pretty old school, set in my ways. Is kind of like point and click. That's all I do, just point and click. So like any like all right, let's not argue. Listen, I've never had to be like the timeout person, but let's not. Oh, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So please, for the sake of me, please, let's just. Default value. Use the default value or value props on select instead of. Thank you. Resolution. Thank you. See, I've had a trackball in the past. It's just, I think it's my OCD as well. Cause like, okay, if I move my mouse to here and I let it go, I expect this to just be there. But on a trackball, it jiggles a little, like pause, but like it jiggles a little bit too much for me. Like it's like it has some play in it, and then like my OCD would trigger and it's like, wait, that isn't where I left my mouse at. So yeah, like I said, it may be easier on the hand, especially because like I work with my hands in the daytime, you know, blue collar work. But I just think I'm now. Selected. What? Wait. What kind of drop down is that? What kind of select is that? What? What am I even looking at? Dashboard. Incoming requests. This is what this is saying? Man, what the heck? Where's the select at? Am I missing something? Uh-oh. Okay. I don't know where this select is supposed to be. These aren't selects. So it's supposed to be under here. But what the heck? Small hidden, but the tab, select a tab. Select a tab. Is it on this screen? Oh, okay. That makes sense. Wait, I don't like that. What? Oh, good. Oh, good. I think. Oh, see, what? I really have to get used to this whole like Tailwind stuff. I know that you want me to use Tailwind. It's just. Sorry. Oh snap. Thank you. Sorry, my cat's going crazy. Thank you for the raid. I don't think I'm worthy, but thank you. This is a boring stream. Actually, I think this is the first time I've ever been raided. So thank y'all. I will. Thank you for the raid. Hello to everyone that stays. Thanks for sticking here if you do. But just to touch base with y'all, I'm not good. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing this for DFW cohort that I'm a part of. I'm currently in Houston, but I used to live an hour south of Dallas, but I'm currently learning to work in a team and using Jira and all this stuff. A team of people that I don't know personally. This is my first time working with a team with people that I don't know personally. But I'm just trying to get my wits with Next and Tailwind, and I'm currently looking at this and trying to figure out why. No, hold up, let me rephrase that. I'm trying to not be so stuck in my ways and learn Tailwind because I just use raw CSS. So, yeah, but selected. Where's the selected? Okay, default. This is so weird. Is this how you do things in Tailwind? Because this is an HTML thing. What the heck? Yeah. I know it grinds everyone else's gears that's like updated and stuff. It's great across a group of devs. It provides a way for everyone to share. See, thank y'all. See, Mav, I knew you were cool. And thank you, Evan. But Sizzle, I I agree with you. I agree with you. It's just I have to get used to it. I have to get used to it. That's my thing. Am I still cutting out? Wait, I'm not cutting out anymore, am I? Sorry for swiveling so much, but I just have to get used to it. I need to learn Tailwind to get up to date, but for current projects, that's it. That's the camp that I'm in. I know that like I may be falling behind or like behind the curb or whatever, but I'm sorry. Like Rod, like see it. Okay, I know I've said this a lot before, but like CSS does its job already. So why would I need to learn something on top of CSS that, like, it's like trying to put a band-aid on something that doesn't really need to be fixed. People just need to learn CSS in the first place. Because first off, if you don't know CSS in the first place, you're never going to learn Tailwind. So why not just learn CSS in the first place? But, hey, that's just me being old. That's my bad. True. See, Bootstrap is a little bit different because, like, that's a UI library. And I see Bootstrap as something different. Even though I've used a lot of Bootstrap as well, it's just, me personally, I'd rather use Bootstrap in one of my projects than Tailwind. Because if I have a choice of, like, how I'm supposed to structure this stuff, I would use CSS over Tailwind, but I need to learn to be a part of a group. So, yeah. But with time, this to apply styles instead of everyone providing their own styles. You're not old school despite being a new dev. I didn't intentionally do that. My bad. I didn't intentionally do that. I'm sorry. But okay, my question is, at some point, when does... Thank you. I got rated by Evan, thankfully. Evan's the real GOAT. Actually, hold up. Can I do Granted, I'm gonna do this, but everyone in here is probably from him. So, oh snap. Still, why can't I type? Hopefully that does it. That doesn't exist. What? Hold up. There we go. If you're not familiar with him, go ahead, follow him, check him out, you know what I'm saying? But at what point does what the heck? What the heck? When was I not? What the heck? I thought I was already following him. What the heck? Anyways, at what point does team communication go out of the window? Because, like, yes, Tailwind is cool, but, like, at some point, it's like, all right, people are going to have to communicate. So let's just, like, stick to a CSS class name and just go with that. Rather than, like, learning something on top of that. Because I don't know. I'm a proponent of, like, people actually talking and communicating and finalizing their way through, like finalizing a path of how they want to, like, go about a project. But I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I can equate it to, though. I guess I can equate I guess I can equate what the heck? Like React libraries. I guess that's what I can equate it to. Like I don't. What's the? Is it like deprecation? No, it's not deprecation, but like, sorry. In a React, like this stuff. What is this stuff called? Like variable equals variable. Like what is this? What is this called? It's not deprecate. I forgot what this stuff is called. Props. I equate it to that. Like this. Whenever you like import a React library, this is like what Tailwind is to CSS. Because like the broader version of like whatever this is doing is what CSS does. So at some point, I feel like people, it's in everyone's best interest, like personally as like developers, to figure out what CSS does before going into Tailwind, because then you can have a better understanding of what Tailwind can do. Like I suppose kind of, but props is variable. It's what you want to pass to it. Tailwind is passing anything, and that's my. I want to. Okay, I don't want it to sound negative. I understand that it like isn't passing anything, but like so much is deprecated in Tailwind that people that don't have any like foundational knowledge of what CSS does, they're just doing things without prior knowledge of stuff. It's kind of like where I'm starting at. Do I know like the in-depth like workings of like HTTP stuff and all that stuff? No. I just build stuff on top of what's already like just assumed in like the work that's done for me. It will be in my best interest to go back and look at all that like zeros and ones. But I'm getting so much vanilla support. I love y'all. Even though I'm not like villainizing you, you know, I'm not trying to, well, so you already know, I'm not trying to say that you're wrong or anything, but like, I don't know, it's just kind of my philosophies. Wait, YouTube what? Also, hold up. Hold. I guess this is, I don't use this stuff, but I guess this is it. Huh? Yeah. Even though I don't really like, I'm gonna start posting stuff on YouTube. I always say that. It's just the editing part that throws me off. But yeah, no pressure. But shameless. I'm a vanilla person. We're created for a reason, and the reason is so devs can agree on standardized. Sorry. Yeah. Like I said, Tailwind isn't bad. It isn't wrong. It's just I'm stuck in my ways. What's up, chat? Sorry, I have a cat. And he is in the way. Now what do I... This? Yeah, that's basically what I'm agreeing on, is like the reason for it existing. But the reason why I don't use it is because I rarely work in a team. I think that's really the crux of why we disagree on like using Tailwind, is because I work solo. So like I don't really have a need to standardize anything because I'm the like judge and jury of everything that goes through. That's really the part where we disagree with, I feel. But apples and oranges, you know. Well, not apples and well, everyone. True, but I don't want to share too many of my thoughts of what's going on right now because I want to keep it positive. With everything. But this right here, project I'm working on right here, it's kind of soured me on pursuing a career in software development. It's just like the whole team aspect of when people, you know, it can get kind of like, I don't know. Nothing like terrible has happened. It's just like, I just wish there was more communication. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. But like I said, I don't want to get too in depth and too in the weeds of stuff. So, line. True. But at some point, I kind of have to be realistic. Why can't I find this anywhere? No, it's all good. Sizzle. We've been around this enough that it's like, all right. we align, but certain things we don't align on. But it's all love, man. It's all love. Hey, but at least we have football. We have that in common. Hey. Oh man. See, don't get me started, man. Don't get me started. Hey, you see the fingernail polish on your man, right? See the fingernail Caleb Williams, you see that? That's what y'all got. But hey. Oh, I hope he balls out though. Oh man. Yeah. Going back up, I do have to find my groove, but I don't know. The tough part of finding my groove is like, for right now, coding isn't exactly it's helping pay my bills, but it isn't in totality like paying my bills right now. So I kind of have to like be an adult and kind of focus on like actual real stuff. So the whole coding job dream stuff, that's cool and all, but I don't know. I don't know if there's really like a place for me in coding, especially with like how this stuff is going, with like me kind of being the odd man out as far as like the whole team aspect. It's kind of like, I don't know. The Texas in me is kind of coming out. It's kind of like, all right, back to the blue collar work. Like that's how I know how to like do stuff. It's like just learn by doing. I can't really like, I'm not good at like politicking or like finding clicks in things. I'm not good at that. I'm good at like showing people my value through like what I do. And that's something that I have to like be like mindful of whenever I do step into like places where people don't know me. Is like, I assume that like, okay, if I show someone my portfolio, like first off, I need to like connect with them like on a personal level. But like if I show them my portfolio, then it's like, oh, this person can actually like, I would like to work with this person. But apparently that's not how that works. And that's kind of like throwing me off. Like, I don't know. True. That's what I'm used to. It's like just solo one man army type stuff. That's what I do. But I really need to like learn how to like, I don't want to, but I guess that's just the name of the game, to like learn how to like politic and stuff like that, but I don't know. True. I hope it stabilizes for everyone. But hey, listen, not to get too like too like realistic or whatever. Well, realism is kind of like subjective, but like to put things into perspective of how I see things. Granted, I'm not political. I'm not getting political. I'm not doing that. But like from my like personal like 27-year-old brain, think about it like this: McDonald's workers have $20 wages now. What makes anyone think that prices will ever come down? Like, if McDonald's workers are like people that think that they have like mundane jobs or like simple jobs, if they're getting $20 an hour, what makes anyone think that prices, I'm saying this for like a US audience, so like anyone that's like overseas, I'm sorry, but like economically, that makes no sense. How someone that isn't like in a specialized industry is making like above like minimum wage type stuff, and they're still not able to like pay their bills. Things are gonna like start getting bad out here. This is only the precursor. So like, stack your money up, be frugal, be mindful of where every dollar goes, because it's about to get bad. Make sure that you have like stable job security. Like, I only say this because I love y'all, but it's about to get bad. So, yeah, not to get all doom and gloom. Sorry, but if McDonald's workers are still struggling to pay bills, Wait, say what? Say what I just said? I believe I'm doing the right thing. There we go. But me personally, like I said, I'm only 27, but I've never seen anything like this. Like, the writing is kind of on the wall. Like, all this like geopolitical like tension, all this stuff that's going on, it's like, make sure that all your ducks are in a row. True. So like, I don't really have like anything to base anything off of. Cause like, me personally, I saw the writing on the wall whenever like the stimulus checks were coming out. It's like, oh, they're just giving us free money. Okay, things are gonna start getting more and more expensive. True. Hey, but people say, I don't know. People say that I'm mature for my age. I'll take it, but I don't know. I try. But like I was saying, like, I saw the writing on the wall back when they were doing like those stimulus checks and stuff. So like, what I did was buy a property. I bought my property in like 2019. So like, my first house in like 2019, when interest rates were like actually low. Like I foresaw that. It's like, oh, all this stuff is about to get a whole lot more expensive. So why not just like get ahead of the curve instead of just like being like out in the open whenever the tide comes in. It's like, nah, can't do that. Gotta stay ahead. So, yeah. 14. But where's the stuff at? It has to be an SVG, right? Oh my goodness. Me with how I am, like I'll always like try to like do something about what I see is happening. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to like see something happening and just get hit by it and then complain about it. Like I want to actually like be ahead of the curve. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I can't find this stuff though. Daily visits. Daily visits. Oh, it's in here. Oh. Okay. Cool. Thank you. And then also line join. No. Oh. This is wrong. Wait, hold up. No. There we go. Stroke width. And I should be in good standing with this. Really? Oh, is it? Because I'm on a Mac. Wait. What? Wait, where'd it go? I just hit it. Wait, is it really control? No. What did that do? What the heck? Control shift or command shift H? Oh, that's what it is. Because I'm on a Mac, so it's command shift H. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Cool. Thank you. I get kind of scared. Oh, I can replace all this. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. See, all y'all are so much better at programming than me. I never would have known this. Can I get out of here? How do I get out of here? Oh, that's just what it looks like. Okay, never mind. I was confusing these two tabs. Oh, really? You can view. Is this how I view it? No. Wait. It's probably Control Shift E. What did that just do? Okay. But yeah, thank you. I just have to like keep all these shortcuts in mind. That's the hard part. Is just remembering whenever I need them, remembering them. But oh well. With y'all's help, I'll remember it. If y'all just scream at me enough. Okay, this is a clear console. Awesome. Oh. Now. I believe. Sorry, I wasn't calling you, Chad. I'm sorry. I believe this is a good spot. I believe so. Unless I want to work on anything else. I don't know what else I can really work on. How about this? How about this? I'll get on tomorrow, hopefully at this time. Hold up. Hopefully at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, because I'm in Texas. Hopefully. But if not, y'all can join this and get a notification whenever I do go live. So, yeah. But, I don't know. Pro tip, keyboard shortcuts between many programs are the same. I'm trying to understand this. Save the keyboard shortcuts as your desktop background and push your mouse a touch out of reach. I mean, you just like have a cheat sheet? If I'm understanding you correctly. I really want to start like making Mac apps, man. I really do. But saved as your background? Yeah. But this background looks so cool. Look. I probably just use like sticky notes. But then again, how I use like my desktops, I never see my background. I think how I would do it is like have something up here in this app, what is it called? App bar, action bar, whatever it's called. And then have like sticky notes drop down. I think that's an app that I'm gonna make. If it isn't already made. True. I need to work on that. Me? Are you asking me that? Me personally, I don't know what other devs do. They're all better than me, so that's probably why, because they don't use their mouse. Oh. Also, Poseidon, Magna, thanks for joining. I need to start doing. Also, how do you say your name? Soul Ripper. I don't know why I was trying to like make it Solar Pepper. I don't know why. Oh, but Soul Ripper. It was the ones and the threes. I think that's what it was. But it's been a while since I've read Leaked. Oh dang. This is the admin portal of the cohort that I'm in. DFW I'm from Texas. So a DFW cohort that I'm in. This is the admin portal that I'm gonna be working on. Tomorrow I do want to start building this modal out so that where is it? So I can show y'all. Okay, wait, dang it, hold up, bear with me. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Granted, I already suggested all this, and this is why this looks the way that it does now. But whenever I click this, I would like for a modal to pop up to compare the images. And for a synopsis on what this project does, let me pull it up. Sorry for being so disjointed, but there we go.
There we go. The project description is a secure access solution for workspaces using facial recognition technology. This tool aims to enhance secure protocols by permitting entry only to authorized personnel identified through an AI-driven facial recognition. It will record access attempts, offer manual override options for exceptions, and send alerts for unauthorized entry attempts. The system includes an administration interface for managing personnel profiles and entry logs, ensuring a high level of security while maintaining user privacy and data protection standards. So maybe a little bit wordy, but yeah, that's what I'm working on. Basically, RoboCop, Skynet, all that stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm building. It's not too big of a project now that I like really see it for what it is, but like on the surface, whenever we were choosing which project to go with, it seemed really complicated. The hard part is just getting the facial recognition set up, but at that point, once you have that set up, it's kind of, I don't know, like any other web app. So yeah, currently I'm on the database and admin page team. So yeah, hopefully that answered your question. Sorry if I need to do a little bit more clarification, but yeah. This stack or my stack? This stack is, let me go back to it. This stack is, what the heck? I thought it had, wait. Well, the back end is Java and Spring Boot, or the database is back end and, Java and Spring Boot, and the AI facial recognition, that's in Python. I think they're using like Deepface. And the web pages, they're using Next and Tailwind, Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Actually, I can pull this TypeScript. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And we're using Docker for containerization. So I've never used Docker before. I've honestly never used Next before. Well, I have, but I didn't really like it that much. But I'm trying to learn it. I'm trying to do my best. So yeah. But my personal stack, I've kind of transitioned over to Angular. I really like Angular. Just working in it, it's cool. I like it. It may not be like the sexy pig or the hot topic, whatever, but I like it. I like Angular. And my back end of choice is Firebase. So this, we're using AWS for we're using DynamoDB. So yeah. What all is okay? Yeah. Wait, Mavdo, you use Angular too? Man, Mavdo, you're just like me. Oh, I also had someone in here that uses Vue, and they said that they liked it, but I've never used Vue. I want to learn it because it looks cool. It's just, in my area, people aren't really hiring for Vue as much as React and Angular. So, yeah. But then again, the reason why I'm learning Angular is because I looked at all of my portfolio projects, and all of them are using React and Firebase, and it's like, wait, I may need to diversify or like learn some new technologies, because like everything that I'm using is just the same stack. So to show others, employers, recruiters that I know other technologies, I'm using Angular now. So, yeah. Yeah. And then at that point, it's just brushing up on like core fundamentals with like leak code and stuff like that. I'm gonna start doing more leak code streams to test my like skills as far as programming. I don't know if that's gonna be interesting for y'all, but I really like streaming leak code problems, just to test my knowledge. So, yeah. Is narrow and deep the best way to do things? Like, I would really like. My thing is, if I do go narrow and deep on something, it would be in Angular. I really like Angular that much. Like, the learning curve is really like steep, but as far as, you know, actually like programming, I like programming in Angular a lot more than React. A lot more. So. And like on the Tailwind side, I feel like how Sizzle feels about Tailwind and how I feel about CSS, I think in a team aspect, like Angular is my Tailwind. I really like how structured Angular is and all that stuff. I really like it. And in using React, I feel a lot of things can be like confusing as the team grows bigger and bigger and communication starts to like become more strained. I feel like Angular sets people on a right path so that there isn't much confusion going down the road of programming as the team gets larger. And I feel like the life cycle of stuff, you know, all that stuff, all that nerd stuff. So, yeah, specialize in something. There's a bunch of bootcamp grads in the hunt. Frameworks sit on top of the language. Learn the core and you can pick up any Yeah. That's what I need to start doing. Is like, I can learn all the technologies under the sun, but if I don't know like JavaScript or TypeScript like the back of my hand, it's really all for nothing. At that point, I'm just kind of like spinning my wheels and just like becoming like the flavor of the month kind of developer. I feel like I just need to like deep root myself in like the core fundamentals of like JavaScript or Python or something like that, and then go from there. So if y'all would allow me more leak code streams in the future, probably not right now, probably not this month or next month, but after that I'm gonna do more leak code streams. I really do like doing leak code problems, even though people don't like doing leak code problems. I do, because it's kind of like brain teasers. I like brain teasers. So yeah, and it just makes me brush up on like data structures and algorithms and stuff like that. Critical thinking. So yeah. But I don't know what else I can really do, cause like y'all can see, it's almost 2:00, and I have to be awake at like 6:00. Granted, I've already been to sleep, but I'm not sleepy. So, yeah. Be safe. Hopefully I'll see you soon, Soul Ripper. Hopefully in the future. But if not, thanks for coming through. Thanks for being cool. Thanks for being you. And yeah. So, yeah. I think I'm off. This has been a pretty successful stream.
But yeah, I think I'm off. So if y'all haven't yet, follow if y'all want to. Join the Discord if y'all want to. Subscribe to YouTube if y'all want to. No pressure. But before I get off, I kind of feel I'm starting to do more shameless plugs. Remembering to do that, but still, it's all love. It's all vibes over here. Had a little bit of an argument stream kind of in the chat, but you know. Hopefully there's no more of that tomorrow. But all right. I have enough people that I'm gonna try to find someone to raid, actually, if y'all are okay with that. What the heck? What the heck? I want to find a web developer. Give me a second. This is what we can do. Is this? I don't know what I'm looking at. I suppose we can do this. How do I rate again? Oh, okay. Okay. Thank y'all for joining. Bye. And for y'all on YouTube, thanks for joining. I kind of got back in the groove of the whole LeetCode stuff. So, yeah. Later.